Number 3. AKASO Brave 7 LE. If you're in the market for a reliable action camera, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is worth considering. One of the standout features is its IPX7 water-resistant design, making it perfect for all-weather filming and underwater adventures up to 131 feet. The dual display design is genius, allowing you to easily switch between framing views with the back and front screens. The 4K video quality and 20 megapixels photo capability ensure that you capture every detail of your adventures with stunning clarity. The electronic image stabilization 2.0 feature provides gimbal-like stability, even in fast-moving situations, resulting in smooth and professional-looking footage. The included accessories and various shooting modes offer endless creative possibilities without breaking the bank. What I love most about the AKASO Brave 7 LE is the innovative dual-color screen design, which truly sets it apart from other action cameras on the market. However, one downside is the learning curve required to navigate all the advanced features, but with a bit of practice, it quickly becomes second nature. Overall, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is a versatile and budget-friendly action camera that delivers impressive video quality and stability in any filming scenario. Check it out for yourself and unlock a world of creative possibilities.